Hello, welcome back to Maedae in the Kitchen. I'm Maedae, and today we are going to make a vegan lemon blueberry loaf. This is from the vegan cookbook, Isa Does It. I have done a few videos from her cookbook and they'll be linked in one of these corners up here, and I hope you guys can check them out after this video. So, let's get cooking. If you guys like this video, please be sure to hit that like button down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can get reminded every other beautiful Wednesday morning when I upload new videos like this one. You guys should also check out my Instagram. There is behind the scenes when I'm filming, some daily stuff that I do besides filming. Also, you can see me eating at some local eateries and giving some reviews and stuff like that, and yeah. So go check it out. Alright, so the first thing that I need to do is preheat my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I did that. And then we are going to lightly grease a 4x8 loaf pan. I have this one right here, and I'm going to put some canola oil on a paper towel and just wipe it around. Next, in a large bowl, I'm going to add half a cup of almond milk. You guys can use any of your non-dairy or dairy milks. The next step is to get 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. I found these lemons on the side of the road. My neighbor had these lemons out in their driveway, so that's pretty cool, very local. Okay, and now I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of zest from these. I need a 1/4 cup of canola oil, big old thing of applesauce, and I only need 2 tablespoons of it. Lastly, for this step, I need 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar. And now it says to mix vigorously, so I'm gonna mix it vigorously. Is that vigorously enough? Let's hope so. Now I'm going to stir in my vanilla. I only need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir that in. Okay, now we are going to sift in our dry ingredients. So 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2½ teaspoons of baking powder, and ½ a teaspoon of salt. Alright, and then adding in my 1 cup of blueberries. So we want to be sure that we're folding in the blueberries and not like whisking them or anything, just because we don't want to like overbeat the batter, as well as trying to keep the blueberries as whole as possible. Some of them will get squished and all that, but my last step before I throw it in the oven is just to put it in the loaf pan. This is a thick batter, so if your batter's thin, then you probably added too much of some liquid. There we go, and I'm just gonna smooth it out and press it down. Easy, super easy. So now I'm gonna throw it in the oven for 50 minutes to an hour. All right, my loaf. Alright. Okay, so my loaf has been out of the oven for about an hour to let it cool down, because we are going to put a glaze on top, and if it were hot, the glaze would just like melt off of it. So now that it's cooled off, I can put the glaze on and it'll stay in place. I need ½ a cup of powdered sugar. Go! I need 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix it on up. Have a little display happening. The camera seems a bit crooked. Sorry about that. But we're just gonna finish this video. My vegan lemon blueberry loaf is done, and I am going to try this piece right here. very excited. The only thing, I wish it had more lemon flavor. You can taste the lemon pretty well in the glaze that is on top, but within the loaf itself, I wish it had more lemon flavor. However, it is still very delicious, and yeah. I just want more lemon. That's all I want. So if you guys like lemon flavor, maybe just add a bit more, maybe like 1 more tablespoon more of lemon, just to test it out. But if you guys aren't a huge fan of lemon and just like a hint of it, then just having the 3 tablespoons of lemon juice and that zest is perfect enough. Well, that's it. If you guys like this video, please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that you can get reminded every other beautiful Wednesday morning when I post new videos like this one. And thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you guys in 2 weeks. Bye!